Frank Eaton here with Gun Forums, taking a look at the tool case with the Milwaukee Packout system. We got a 4-piece insert for this, a bottom layer and a top layer. They come together, not separately. There'll be 4 pieces, 2 for the bottom, 2 for the top, base and a cut layer. Mag storage in the bottom, and then the top layer goes in like so. And this will probably be a good candidate for the 550 core loops to pull this out once you've got it glued up. Just going to cut in these pistols. These are our standard Glock cuts. Comes with room for a extended mag well, and it goes all the way out to the long slide. Has the plugs for lights and lasers. And these also come with a plug for a red dot right there.